Draw Deinocheirus from Jurassic World. Let's get started, okay? So I'm going to start over here kind of with the head, and I'm going to go down its back. So right off the top, whoop, I scratched that, but that's fine, we can use that. Flat line for the top of its head, and he's kind of like a duck bill kind of thing going on. Okay, we keep going. And we're gonna curve back down for the back, you know, that's the back of the head right here, and it's gonna go down its neck. Pulling back here. And he's depicted a lot with big ol' hump kind of thing going on. And I'm making my way all the way down. The reason for that is because I want him to fit on the page. That's going to be a really big deal. By the way, don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe. Definitely hit the like button because these kind of Jurassic World, you know, all the dinosaur stuff, you know, I think like is getting a lot of traction. So I want to draw a lot more of it. So hit that like button if you like dinosaurs. So, alrighty, let's go down over here now. Just a bit. Again, that duckbill kind of thing. So go up, and then pulling back over here, back into the kind of, so that's the upper jaw. Down, curve. Line over here, front of the lower jaw here. Down, up. Back over here, back of the jaw. Right on. No sharp teeth, right? This is an herbivore. We're gonna go back over here now. Pull a little bit of a dark shape in the back. Let's go over here to the eye. Curve. Curve over here, curve underneath. Draw the eye, and then we'll draw like a dot right there. Nostril right here at the front. Cool, cool. Gonna go right here and draw the neck. So line underneath the neck. Curve under here. Right, underneath the throat there. Down here the chest, down. And his arms are gonna be over here, and his stomach's gonna be here. So let's draw the inner part of the arm. Line over here, down. Okay. I'm gonna draw like the chest going down that way. Maybe over here now, just for space, we're gonna find the leg. So down over here, back, down. So right here is the knee, back to the heel, then down to the foot. Draw his 3 talons right there. Back down, right here. Heel. Go over here, calf. And then right here, we're gonna draw the back of the leg. They thought he was feathery, so that's kind of what I'm gonna throw that kind of featheriness right there. Line over here, under body. Pulling down here, and then they thought maybe there is possibly feathers at the end of his tail too. So way down here, we're gonna draw like feathers right there at the end, right there, like that. Really beautiful way they drew him, the way they kind of designed him, you know, like from the structure. So they think he probably had, see, right down here, back of the arm. Right, some feathers off his arm, very similar like to the raptor. Let's draw a line here, and then let's draw the claws here. Right on. And let's find the midpoint of the stomach here. Cool, so we have a lot of the front of him so far, right? Like I said, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw dinosaurs, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I post a drawing video every single week, but I am posting a drawing lesson every day. So definitely, you know, stick around for that. There's no downside to subscribing. So I'm gonna go over here, down, out, right here for the back portion of the back arm, and then I'm gonna go over here. Same thing for the leg. Right over there, that leg, you're gonna see the back of it. So we're gonna, if you really want to do that, you can also fill it in dark, but you don't have to. But all right. So let's go into maybe some pattern changes on the feathering. So right here, maybe around the head, maybe his head was exposed, kind of like a vulture. Or maybe you can do like that. There's like a stripe right there, curved line over here on his face, and then you can draw maybe a dark shape right below the neck here. That really helps. Line right here to show the kind of difference in the kind of like the stomach area, and then it goes into the back area, kind of that hump area. And then same thing goes over here with the top of the leg. And then maybe you can throw a little bit of dark right here along the stomach to give it some gravitas, right? Some gravity. But this is Deinocheirus so far, Deinocheirus. If there's another dinosaur you want me to go over, let me know. Or we can go over maybe different versions of dinosaurs. I've done that with a raptor, but the raptor has two kind of famous versions, right? See if we can throw a line right here for the texture of the feathers right here. Sure, I'll do in the back here. If you really want, you can throw a little bit of kind of colors right there. Kind of like certain day present animals have, like lizards and stuff, or certain birds have that design. Just gonna throw some stuff like that. But that is Deinocheirus. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. If you have another dinosaur, like I said, let me know. You guys are amazing. When you keep practicing, and your eye will become better and better and better, and you'll be able to kind of do anything you want with any tool you want. So thank you so much. I will talk to you later, and I will see you very soon. Remember, the name was Deinocheirus of this dinosaur, okay? Don't forget, we have coloring books. Check the link out in the description. And then we also have a lot of free stuff. We have a free How to Draw Cute ebook in the description. Go take a look at that stuff if you like that sort of thing. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.